Hello and welcome to the Carfulan Group. I'm here at the Advanced Innovation Centre here in Derby, and today I'm going to give you a quick walk around some of the technology we've got available on our X-Demonstration summer sale. We've got machines available from a range of our different technologies, from 3D printing to metrology to presetting. I can't stress enough that this is a limited time period offer, so please do get in touch if you do like anything you see on this video. Here at Zoller UK we're supplying the best in class presetting technology, and I'm just going to give you a quick walk around some of the machines we've got available on the X-Demo sale. We've got the Smile Basic first up, which is a fantastic entry level presetting machine which is giving you all the benefits of offline presetting. We've also got the more advanced Smile 420 Pilot 4, again allowing you to preset offline, opening up capacity on your machine tools, controlling the tool life and also reducing your scrap rate. If you're using shrink tooling, then don't look much further than the Power Shrink 400. It's a very energy efficient system. We've got the Cool by Light system and also the Zoller induction core, which is really quick. If you're in tool inspection, a tool manufacturer, or you're regrinding tools, then we've got the Genius system here also available on an X-Demo, and this is a fantastic solution for anybody in that tooling market. Here at SYS we're supplying Stratasys 3D printers. They're the world's best 3D printing technologies. We've got some X-Demos available, and let me just take you around what we've got. So we've got the J55, which is a multi-material 3D printing system allowing us to print full colour parts as well as clear and rubber parts on the tray at the same time, so perfect for anybody out there prototyping. We've also got our P3 technology with the Origin 1. This system will take you prototyping and production as well. It's got serial production capability because of its speed and the quality of the parts. So if you want to produce a small amount of components but don't want to commit to injection mould tooling, this would be the perfect solution for you. We've also got the F900, an FDM machine, obviously large format, which is well known within the industrial 3D printing market. This machine is perfect for producing parts for your shop floor like jigs and fixtures, but also for end use parts as well, because we've got materials like PEEK as well as really highly filled carbon fibre materials as well. We've also got the Forts 450, probably our best selling FDM machine. This machine is very, very flexible. It's got the ability to print with around about 16 different thermoplastic materials, as well as a range of validated thermoplastics out there as well. So at VinciVision UK we've got two different technologies available. We've got the Metrios HD Cross, which is a perfect system for the shop floor for 2D measurement, high accuracy measurement, really quick and easy to use. We've also got one of our shaft measuring machines available, so I just want to take you around and show you that as well. It's the 614 Prima, which is one of our shaft measuring systems, so perfect for any turned or ground components. This machine particularly perfect if you've got a range of components from very small shafts all the way up to larger shafts as well. Here at OGP UK we've got two fantastic world-class multi-sensor metrology machines available. First of all, we've got the CNC 200, which is a full multi-sensor system. As you can see, it's quite a compact system, perfect for the lab or the shop floor, and this machine is capable, as I say, of having multiple sensors on there, as well as the optics being the primary sensor, and this will also allow you, if you want to utilise it, for 3D CAD with Zone 3 as well. The second machine we've got available is the Vantage 450. As you can see here, a floor mounted machine. This has also got a dual axis rotary embedded on the system. This machine is a very high accuracy optical measuring machine, again that can also be utilised as a multi-sensor system. So I hope you enjoyed the walk around the Advanced Innovation Centre. We've got quite a number of machines on offer, as you can see. If any of these machines are interesting to you, then please do get in touch. You can pop in and have a demonstration. You can either get some parts measured or have some parts printed, but please do feel free to get in touch with us and start those conversations.